So I think without further ado, it's probably time for a stand-up, right? Like the official stand-up. And it's been a while, folks, but I will meet you up there. I'm going to take the elevator. The elevator's repaired, by the way. So see you in the stand-up room. See you shortly. Folks, welcome back to the stand-up. So one thing that I did do that I was doing last week over my break, I suppose, I was looking for new stand-up rooms. I was shopping around trying to get the best price. I haven't changed it yet. I haven't found the best one yet, but I think we're gonna get one pretty soon. But folks, if you're new here or you haven't been here during our stand-up's a time for us to talk about what we did in our case last time, what we plan on doing today if we're currently blocked by anything. So please, if you have anything that you're working on, woo baby, Dr. Ray coming in with the fivers for the cause. Thanks for donating to Pride, my friend. Trevor Project, helping our goal get up there. Let's go, baby. The fivers. Thank you so much for that, Dr. Ray. Appreciate you, friend. But yes, it's time for us to talk about what we did last time, what we plan on doing today. If we're blocked by anything. So please let me know what you've been working on. And let's go ahead and get started. And eventually, stay tuned for an updated stand-up room. Hopefully. I don't know. We'll see. Hey, Frey, welcome. Lil Kaza. Hello. Holy crap. So what did we do last time with Groovy? So last time we actually knocked out about 6 bugs. We had a nice bug bash, which was pretty great. That popped up during our Apple auth testing. And if you haven't been here for a while, we have the full Apple auth setup ready to go. We tested it last time on stream, which is awesome. And yeah, things are looking freaking sweet, which I'm really excited about. Really happy about that. And that kind of leads us today. We have a couple more bugs to handle. And some of these bugs are actually going to require us to deploy some stuff to Firebase functions, which will be pretty cool. We'll take a look at that if any of you have not seen that process. And then, yeah, we need to figure out, we have to do some version stuff for this as well. And then once we do that, hopefully we have some time and we'll start planning for our next feature we're going to work on for the beta to get closer to a beta launch. Yeah, getting close there. So some really exciting stuff for sure. Hey, Brutus, welcome. Learning Go. Ayo, welcome. Yeah. Oh, I did stuff. Okay. Frey, I'm working on a Go library for music generation, currently refactoring to be more idiomatic. Awesome. Oh, yeah. Rushy, yeah, I did stuff. Totally didn't play Red Dead Redemption 2 and Rocket League all week. Good. That's what I like to see. Don't tell the CEO that you've been playing video games all week. Come on now. Yeah, I'm prototyping a game I've been wanting to make for 2 or 3 years. Oh, nice. That's actually freaking awesome. Congrats. Got my first interview tomorrow, Harry. Bricking it. But gotta say, stay cool, calm, and collected. Love it. Stay cool, calm, and collected. You got this, friend. Do a little bit of meditation before you get into the interview. I'm sure it'll help a lot. Amaran Ellis, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the team, my friend. Glad to have you. Yeah, best of luck, Harry. Dom, spent a lot of time on Sunday trying to get a nice floating label input and use React hook form before I decided to roll my own form stuff and make my own label. Oh, okay. Hey, you got to learn somehow, right? That's freaking sick. I'm glad that you got some learnings in, though. And hopefully it's all working out now. I haven't been here for a while. What is that beard? This is a beard that I've grown. The glorious face mask. Hey, cheers to you, Amaran. Thanks for being here, my friend. Folks, thanks for talking about what we did today, what we plan on doing, all that fun stuff. Should we just get started then? Before we get started, of course, a couple things that I'm going to bring up. One, I did it. We now have a keyboard cam. Hello, can I get some claps in the chat for the keyboard cam? I know this is a highly not requested feature by anyone in this channel, but hey, keyboard cam, here we go. Because I got a new keyboard. Exclamation point keyboard. Feel free to check it out. It's actually freaking fantastic. Okay, I actually implemented that chat feature in my Flutterthon app. Oh, nice. Amaran, interested in some app dev stuff. Only work with Xamarin myself, so I want to explore new frameworks. Heck yeah, well, you're in the right spot, my friend. Welcome. Yeah, we do a lot of React Native here. Rally Rose, welcome back. Glorian, salute, my friend. Yeah, literally nobody asked. Feet cam only? I mean, we can switch to foot cam. It really just depends. We can finally see your slow typing. Yes, thank you. Thanks, Cool. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's a nice keyboard. Top tier, I'd say. Do a typing test? Oh, no. Should we do a typing test? Make the switch. Stop, Rushki. I'm really bad at typing. But so here's the problem. I have this webcam now, and I don't know what to do with it. So for now, it's going to be a finger cam, you know? Blah, 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 blah. All that fun stuff. Your head is 84% hair now. Goals on. Thanks, Glory. I mean, you're not wrong. What's the wrist? Did you get? Oh, it's just some generic. It's from this company called Gimmers, I guess. I just bought it on Amazon. It's okay. I feel like I could probably be better. But yeah, it helps a lot. Typing test, let's go. All right. I guess before we get started with everything, let's go ahead and get this typing test. It's going to be really bad. Though, I have felt that my typing has gotten a little bit better on this keyboard. I don't know. We'll see. My roommate says I should do a foot cam. He says I'll make a lot of money that way. And I said, I don't know. Donation goal for foot cam? Hello? Oh, yeah, for Teslas. Yep. Oh. Yeah, maybe. I gotta get another camera then. Oh, did you, Frey? That's freaking sick. Alright, before we get started with that, I did want to talk about, again, Tiltify. We already had a few donations, but folks, the goal is to raise $500 by the end of June. I know that I've been gone for a week, so it's been kind of hard to raise the goal here. But it's still Pride Month. We're still here doing the thing, trying to get $500. Donate today by going to !Pride, helping out an awesome cause called the Trevor Project. Twitch's goal is $300,000. We're contributing to that with our $500. You can use your donations to vote on what is better, Flutter or React Native. You also, if you join the Discord, you can get a cool role called the Pixel Pride Crew role. And yeah, would love to have it. And if we reach $500, we will actually go ahead and we plan on doing a karaoke stream with another programming streamer here on Twitch. So feel free to donate today. Get it in. Let's do this thing. Isn't it the end of June? Yeah. We'll probably extend it for like another week. Yeah. Tego, what's up? Bretsky can now watch you type your passwords. Yeah. Oh, yo, true. Feels bad. Ed, hey, idea for extra webcam. Buy some Raspberry Pi or something similar code. Some interactive games chat could play. Oh, interesting. It's not a bad idea, Ed. Yeah, thanks for the suggestion. Huh. When we reach $500, Alec will change the keyboard cam to foot cam. One day I'm going to come in with a foot cam and you all are going to be like, what the hell? You still have to donate $10. Yes. I still haven't made my donation, and I will do it. Yes. Why did you click so fast away from the poll? I don't want to talk about it. Oh, it did, Frey? Yo, cheers, man. I'm glad you got it. Would you suggest making a production grade application using React Native? I would, yeah. There's a lot of companies and apps that are using React Native on production right now. It's freaking fantastic. Hijack the Engineer, welcome. Yeah, sorry, I've been gone for a week, so we're kind of just catching up. But we're going to be building an app called Groovy. Feel free to type in !Project to learn more about what we're doing today. Have you looked into Swift UI? Hassan, I have. Yeah, actually, I've worked on it a lot this past week. It's been a lot of fun. All right. All right. I said I'd do the typing. What? Hello? Okay. I guess here we go. We're gonna do the typing challenge. I'm scared, guys. No, we're not transitioning to Flutter at all. It's not gonna happen. Lil Kaza, I hate you. All right, here we go. Oh man. Oh god, I'm scared. God. This was a terrible idea. I didn't think that I was going to be asked to do this. Hijack the Engineer, welcome in. Folks, typing challenge. I guess here we go. Into state day. Oh, God. Tell a not he or just hi will mean one great down against good that are. No! Why did I write R? I'm already bad at spelling to begin with. Why can't this actually make sense? Ah. Oh no. Ah! Oh god. Hello? Thoughts? Accuracy 91. Take that. 91. What's up, Pitbull? Words per minute 61. Should we try another one? That was actually kind of fun. Hey, how does that compare? What do other people get in this typing challenge? I guess probably better than 61. I'm 67. I'm horrible as I'm. Whoa, they have themes? Yo, let's go. Dracula. That's what we should use. To be familiar with my code editor. I've done 126. Oh my god. All right, let's try it one more time. Here we go. At same large. All right. Here we go. Oh no, I'm one word behind. The concentration. God damn it. God damn it. Hey, 69, baby. 87 with 100%? What? Dad ass, stop that. Oh, the Sakura theme. Oh, right. This is one you were talking about. This is yours, huh? Frey. There we go. Heck yeah. Anyways. Hey, not too bad. So, thoughts? This probably doesn't warrant a keyboard cam, I suppose. I started pressing enter. Oh. Well, folks, that was actually pretty fun. Maybe this should be our warm-up every day. Maybe we should start warming up with typings.gg. Widget per minute. Damn. Okay, you all are actually pretty good. I'm pretty terrible. I can now see. I suppose that I'm pretty awful. All right. Well, I guess let's move on to what we're actually going to do today. Makes sense, Dr. A. And get big score. Yeah. Type racer every stream, actually? Oh, nice. Yeah, it's actually a good idea. We should do that. I feel like it's honestly a nice warm-up for my hands. especially since, you know, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. At least you can see it. Yes, at least that's true, Raleigh. That's true. The two cameras are reversed? Oh! Good call out. Actually, let me change that right now. That's actually a really good call out. There we go. That hopefully should be it. I hope you're not freaking out now. I'll leave out my pinkies. You should. Yeah, hopefully that's better. Sorry about that. I totally didn't even think about that. So, folks, what I want to do before we even get started with anything, I kind of just want to see, like, if the app still works. It's probably a good starting point. And, yeah, we're going to go from there. So, let's go ahead and get everything open here. They are now both flipped. But that's the whole point. They're now in the same direction, no? I'm just bad at typing. You know, I've always thought that I wasn't terrible, but now I feel very, very bad. Like I'm not very good at typing. Okay, so with Golang, we're going to first start with our scripts. Oh, God. Hello? Do I even remember? Yeah, go run shell. Mine's stuck at 60? Oh no. Yeah, okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and do an npm start over here. And then we are gonna go here and we're gonna do npm run iOS start. Yeah, so we're gonna try to go back through a little demo so people who haven't seen the app or haven't seen it in a while can take a little look-see. Yeah, buddy. How many Lambda functions do you have now? I don't know, probably a lot though. I love me some Lambdas. Oh, Firebase functions. How many Firebase functions do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Firebase functions, yeah. Pretty solid amount. Do it, Roller. Try it out. Let us know what you get. Oh, you started touch typing a few years ago? Heck yeah. Oh, am I? Yes, okay. So I downloaded the Xcode beta last week. And so now I have iOS 14 simulators, but I want to make sure I'm still using 13 because, you know, we're not supporting Groovy on 14 as of yet. Oh, you've been touch typing for 3 years? Nice. Heck yeah. So are you going to try Big Sur? I'm probably not going to try it until it's at a much better beta state. Usually the macOS betas I'm sketchy about because like I use this all the time, you know. Just support iOS 14. It makes it easier. Yeah, it does. It does. I actually was thinking about supporting 13 and up, honestly. And I still kind of want to. We should look at. Should still look at what it is. Apple. Oh, I think we saved it somewhere. I thought we did at least. Did I not? Damn. No, I don't think I did. Well, there was this Apple had like some marks on what they had. And it was close to like, I think it was close to 80 something percent. It was actually pretty big. Not now. Okay, cool. So, has been surprisingly stable, has it? Yeah, I haven't. The app I'm working on for iOS 14 right now, I'll probably I'll download the beta on my phone once I'm ready to set it up on there. Yeah, usually Mac OS, I don't know. It's sketchy, man. It's sketchy in my opinion. I'm not a fan. Are there any issues that need some help? Or if not, are there need for some? In regards to iOS 14? Or in regards to Groovy? Senior Dead, hey, what's up? Thank you for the article. Oh, I forgot the chat. Damn it. Bad streamer. I messed up there. Forgot this thing. 33 and 88. Not bad, Roller. Not bad. Oh, in regards to Groovy, yeah. If you actually go to the repo by typing !Groovy or project, the mobile repo actually has a lot of issues. In regards to, or not, I guess issues like filed issues, probably a lot of issues as well. Developer.apple.com support app store. Cool. Yeah, so 92% of all devices introduced in the last 4 years use iOS 13. Like it's pretty good. The only thing is that I think that's, yeah. Oh, actually, that's cool. So all devices I guess all iPhone devices, 81% use iOS 13, which is still a pretty big number. So I've been thinking about actually just changing it over to iOS 13 instead of just, I think we're at iOS 10 or 11 or something. I don't remember. I got to look, but yeah. Hey, Hassan. Oh, that's actually good to know. Yeah, the thing is that this is my personal computer, but I still like use it pretty much every day. So I don't want to mess it up just in case, but Guy Montagues, welcome back. Nice to see you. Yeah, pretty good. How'd you know Jamie Pine? Do you work together? No, I don't work with Jamie Pine. I just met Jamie Pine on Twitch. Yeah. Yeah, he's a cool guy. I've followed them since like the very like when he used to work on his own, like I think at wherever he was before he moved over to the States, or I guess now Canada. I can't see whether I have any notifications if I miss a pop-up. Well, anything is open navigation while driving, but I guess I'll get used to it. This sucks. Return the phone, not worth it. Oh, we have set to iOS 12? Okay. Yeah, Ed, that would be awesome, my friend. I would love for you to contribute. Again, folks, Groovy is an open source app. We have been working hard on getting a README together. I think right now we're at a pretty solid place. If you go over to the main repo of Groovy, we have a whole setup guide on how to get started. So on iOS or Android, what you need to install, all those fun things. And I think we're at a pretty solid spot right now. I think there might be a couple things we're missing, but I would love for you to go through the guide. Let me know if you feel like contributing. That would be awesome. Hey, Dessa Ola, man. Yes, nice to see you again too, my friend. Thanks for hanging out. Oh, that's cool, Roller. I mean, that's awesome that you're able to even do that to begin with. I know I can't type in any other language, so mad props. Working hard or hardly working? Definitely the latter. Did you finish the CS education or are you self-taught? So I actually got a education in information technology. So not necessarily computer science. But yeah, I did a 4-year degree, and then everything else in regards to programming, it's been self-taught. Yeah. Joel, welcome back, my friend. Salute. Salute, salute. All right. Let's go ahead and sign out here. To begin with what we've been working on. So, folks, we now have a sign in with Apple button. This only pops up currently on iOS. And let me go to Firebase as well. Smoke!
Oh.
Who are you? Wow, welcome back, man. Nice to see you. Thanks for the tier 1 for 25 months. Woo! Dude, it's so nice to see you. Welcome back. Yes, everyone, can we get some claps and some salutes in chat for Smoke? Smoke has been here literally since like literally the beginning, I think. Probably like one of my first streams ever. He's some Smoke just looking in the corner. Yeah, exactly. The keyboard cam's a nice touch. Hey, thanks, Tessa. I appreciate that. Yeah, with 3 viewers. Yeah, man. Woo! Yo, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for the resub, man. 25 months. That's a big journey. I've been stuck due to COVID. Haven't been around. Yeah, no worries, friend. I'm glad to see you. I hope all is well. Hope you're staying safe out there for sure. Yeah, welcome back. Wow. Woo! Man. Cool. Let's go. I'm going to open up the Firebase console for us as well. Just so we can take a little look-see at what we're doing here. I've been stuck due to COVID. Oh, I just read that. Yo, Thunderstorm just started outside Pog. Fucking champ. Pog, dude. Be safe. Don't go outside, please. Jesus Christ. So we're going to go to the database. And pretty much what's going to happen is we have this Apple user. And this Apple user here is essentially our whole Apple auth that we've gone through. And this person actually now has an API token as well. So we can do things like create playlists on behalf of a user for Apple Music. So if I also Apple Music login, we also open up Apple Music here. We can see that the new playlist we create will actually go into our playlist as well. So I'm actually going to delete these too. Yeah, thunderstorms are a good time for sure. Yeah, so these are the ones that we tested. I guess it's about 10 days ago or something. 12 days ago. Awesome. So you can get the full experience here. And then also we're going to actually delete our user and stuff so we can do a fresh brand new sign in. Yeah, I want to show you all the whole flow of Apple signing because that's what we've been working on for the past like month for a long time. Delete document, authentication, delete this. So we're just deleting all the accounts that were associated with this thing. Best Real TV, hope your electronics survive. That's great. If I become quiet, then my PC most likely got fried. Good to know. Thanks, Rushki. Best of luck. I used to live near a church pretty tall. Also, lots of tall trees around. So whenever there's this thunder, it either strike the church or a freaking tree. Kill my heater. Wow, that's actually must be pretty amazing, but also kind of scary. Thunder is awesome, 100%. All right. So here what we're going to do is go through that sign-in process. So you do sign in with Apple. We're granted this stuff. This is given to us by iOS. Press continue. I'm going to choose to share my email. And now I'm going to secretly hide my password. Awesome. And so now you see I have authenticated with Apple. We're good to go. And now we're greeted with this cool screen where you're actually able to choose your username. So one username I know that we have already in this this database is ya boy Apple. So if you see it, you'll see ya boy Apple snagged. We can't actually create this username, but I'm ya boy Alec. You see that is available. We can actually snag this username. So we're probably just gonna end up doing ya boy Groovy. Right? You will definitely forget to switch the view one time. Nah, I've actually been pretty good. There's sometimes that I'll switch the view ed and then I start saying the password out loud. Like I've said, I think 1 or 2 letters and I'm like, why am I doing this? Like I'm literally talking to myself. Isaac, salute my friend. Welcome. Cool. So let's get groovy. That will go ahead and create our account here. One big thing that we need. Oh, we got network error. Oh, I know what the problem is. The problem is, yeah. So I use an IP address for my local host because Android doesn't work well with the local host keyword. So since the last time I probably worked on this was at my sister's place in Utah. I had an old IP address. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. I need to get my new IP address. Yes, it's totally what it is. Programming sure we're not exposing secrets? Yeah, duh. Yeah, so I'm gonna type in my my new IP here. Should be good to go. That's put in my config file, which is why I'm hiding the screen. And then we're going to have to rebuild this. I didn't hide it. I almost switched back, baby. Woo! Try that again. My bad. All right, and so now we actually restart the app. Reload it, baby. I do that with my PIN number, then just Jedi wave around me. Nice. Is your family from Utah? I was actually born in Utah. I was actually born in Salt Lake. Yeah. So, some family, yeah. So I guess I'm technically from Utah. Smoke! Woo! Smoke coming in with the 10. Count them. 1, 0 gifted subs. Holy moly. Can we get a huge salute to our friend Smoke in chat? Woo! Dude, thank you so much for that support, man. Yeah. Wowza. Citizen Clint, Recursive Dev, Monolotto, Zeltig Demon, Onich, Bretsky, Robertson, V1 Dev, Ruiz, and Broken. Welcome into the team as intern. Give a huge salute to our friend Smoke up in here. Woo. Folks, if you haven't, make sure you join our Discord. Get in there real quick. Be a part of the team. Get an intern role. And get some awesome benefits as well. Smoke, dude. Thank you so much for that, man. You're freaking awesome. Appreciate ya. So many devs, it's called Fang now. Oh, my bad. My bad. Hey, Demon. It's my birthday today. Yo, can we get some also claps for our friend Demon Wolf? Woo! Happy birthday, dude. I hope you have a great day. Wow. Awesome, man. Hope you can do some celebrating based on, you know, the situation in the world. But yes, dude. Happy birthday. Very epic. Yeah, Roller. Isaac, 200 bits, man. Thank you so much for that. Welcome. Yeah, so we got tons of pride emotes in chat. Heck yeah, I love it. Rushki coming in with 2 more gifted subs. Rushki, by the way, you've gifted 69 subs to the channel. Let's go. That's probably the only reason why you did that, right? Bliskler and Pipple Proton, welcome to the team as well. And Hype Train coming in. We're at a level 4. Oh my god. It's going, baby. Woo! Here we go. We want to start the scam train. Shh, don't tell anyone. You're going to give it all away. Cut. Thank you again, Isaac, for those 200 bits, friend. Appreciate you. Yes, folks, thank you. Thank you all for the gifted subs. Welcome in, everybody. Glad to have you all here. Glad to have you. Woo! Wow. The Lowell. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you. I'm stuck at 69 forever. Yeah, please don't gift anymore. Church is my way to party. Let's say maybe a little crazy tonight. Hey, awesome demon. Heck yeah. Yeah, I hope you have a fantastic day, friend. That's awesome. Let's go. Great way to end off June, huh? For the birthday. Hey, Pino. Isaac! Bro, coming in with the tier 1 sub? Dude, thank you for that gift to Retro Boy and helping out the hype train, folks. 52% hype train? At level 4, can we hit level 5? Hello? Level 5? Level 5 hype? I think I've started something. I think you did, man. Yeah, dude, too kind of you. What better way to get back into the community, huh? Yeah, I want more pride emotes. I need more pride. Come on. Never level 5. I think one time we hit, oh man, I think we hit level 5, but we had like 180% level 5. It's insane. Babe. Yeah, we hit level 5 once. That was a crazy time. That was a crazy. Isaac, I appreciate you, man. Thank you for the 200 bits and then the gifted sub, man. Appreciate you, dude, for real. Means a lot. Glad to have you here. Yeah, we got level 5 in the sub war. Yo, that was crazy. That was a crazy time. You have all the pride emotes? Let's go. Yes, folks, don't forget. With all the pride going around, don't forget to donate to the Trevor Project. Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah. Retro Boy, welcome in, by the way. Folks, make sure you join that Discord. Get into the community. Wow. So what were we doing again? Yeah, we were showcasing the app. We were fixing some stuff. So from here, Rushki coming in with the 500 bits, sharing 10 more emotes with the chat. Thank you, friend. Thanks for the 500 bits. Woo! Love it. Pride all around, baby. It's a good month. Good month for pride. Smoke coming in with 1,400 bits. We hit it. Let's go, baby. All the hype. Oh, 25 more emotes shared with chat as well. Nice, Smoke. Thank you for that. This doesn't count towards my sub count. No, it doesn't, Rushki. Level 5, baby. Yeah, I have tons of emotes now too. Folks, it's time for level 5. What do we do? What do we do? Wowza. Thank you all for the support. Appreciate you. I love all the pride emotes in chat now. The pride emotes this year are freaking awesome. That's all I gotta say. Freaking great. Yeah, Smoke, Rushki, Isaac. Thank you all again for the gifted subs and cheered bits. Woo! Hopefully Yag didn't get any. Yeah. Don't say that. Yag wants them. She wants them a lot. All right. Here we go. Anyways, so we're going to sign in with Apple now. Everything should be set up. Got to secret it up a little bit. Enter some passwords here. Sign in. All right. Now we're going to choose the username. Yeah, boy, groovy. That's going to be our username right there. Now we're going to say, let's get groovy. Yep. Thanks, Rushki. Yeah, right there. Best World TV. How long have you been gone? Where'd that beard come from? You've been gone a while, man. I've been growing this beard for, I don't know, quite some time. I guess, like, since quarantine started, I've been growing the beard, like, for a while. The past couple months. His password is 420 Blazing Apple. Shh, Demon. Bro, stop, man. Please, don't say that. All right, so we press let's get groovy. Now you can see that all our stuff worked. So now we've officially signed in with an Apple account, associated that account with Groovy. And now if we go back over here, you can see 420 Blaze at Apple, but working for Microsoft still. How are the Redux stuff stored locally? So Redux stuff, we're not using anything like Redux persist. We're just using, are you talking about like the structure of my Redux state? AshikPaul, thanks for the follow, my friend. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you back. Curious what the app is? Yeah. Hopefully we'll give a little bit of a demo right now, Best World. Alec coughed. Everyone wear your mask around the stream. Yeah, sorry. I got something in my throat. Hopefully. That's all it was. You can see that our new Apple user has been created. Your boy Groovy. Username your boy Groovy. And so now here, you'll see that we have a playlist. So the whole idea behind this app right now is to create a playlist with your friends no matter what streaming provider you're on. So let's say I have Spotify and you have Apple Music. We can all add songs to this playlist. We can comment on these songs and get notified when people add new songs. And so that's just the MVP or the minimal viable product of this app. There's a lot more that's going to be going into it. I'm really, excuse me, I'm really excited about in regards to sharing music with your friends. That's the whole goal of this app, right? Just want to share music. So yeah, as you can see, I've just signed in with my Apple account and now I have this empty playlist list because we haven't created anything yet. So now we're going to go ahead and create a playlist to start with. Do you somehow shape it level 2? Yeah, no, I've been shaping it, Ed. Yeah, I've been working on it. I have like a balm that I use. I have one of those heated combs, essentially a beard straightener that I use as well to like get it tamed a little bit. I've been working on it. It's been a journey. The auth credentials, for example. Oh, so those are handled through Firebase. You sign in once, and then Firebase SDK actually handles a lot of the auth credentials. So I don't have to store anything locally. And everything is set up with a link to Apple, Spotify, Google will be another one that we do. So all those credentials are handled through those providers, and I don't actually handle anything, which I think is even better. You're now authorized to leave. Rushki, no one leave. You must all stay. Alpha! Yo, thanks for the 315 bits, my friend. Appreciate you. Thanks for the hype. Level 5 completed? Yo. Wowza. Level 5 hype completed. Appreciate you all. Thank you all for being here. Thanks for the hype. Enjoy all the emotes, pride emotes, and all the other hype train emotes. Let's go. Anton, welcome back. I shall invent a new term, the Rickroll injection, adding Rickroll to a playlist randomly. Yes. Yes, Best World. That I have a feeling it's going to be that. It's going to be great. It'll be fun. Yeah, thanks, Senior Dev. I appreciate that. Yeah. Or dead. Epic. Yes, we did it. Choo choo, baby. So let's create a playlist now. So now I can call this playlist, I don't know. The Cool Kids. I don't know why. I've always called it the Cool Kids. You have the ability to add people to a playlist. So we have Groovy Guy. We can add them like this. We can also search for them. We only have one other person in this playlist. So if I did like some, it wouldn't come up, right? But yeah, we have the ability to add someone like this to this playlist as well. And so I'm just going to create the playlist. And so once we create the playlist, we're now greeted with this new flow that says sign in with Apple Music. Let Groovy manage your playlist by linking your Apple Music account. So for that, what we do is we actually press on Let's Go. It's going to take us right over to a deep link here, and it says sign in with Apple Music. So we press sign in with Apple Music. It's going to bring us to this flow where this UI is given to us for free, which is freaking sick if you're on an iOS device. Do you want to sign into the apple.com with your Apple ID? So I press continue with password. I'm going to hide this again. Another password we're going to put in. And then here, I'm going to press continue. And at this point, we'll sign in. Oh, what? So my session timed out. Okay. Well, I haven't ran into this issue before. Oh no. This is a weird one. Hopefully this should be okay. I'm not sure. We're about to find out. Okay, cool. Oh, I see. It used an old browser session. That's what it was. Gotcha, gotcha. So I just had to clear out of it.
Out there, Flutter.
Have you tried out there Flutter? I did. Yeah, thanks for asking. Flutterthon 2020, baby. Woo! Only a chat VIP is part of the cool kids? Yes. How did you know? That's exactly what it is. Hey, Nick Twist, yeah, keyboard's right there. We're using a Keytron K2. It's I just got it. It's awesome. I use the brown switches on it. Highly recommend. VIP Rushkin B. VIP the YAG. Yeah, I guess we got to start giving some VIPs, huh? It's been a while since we've given some VIPs away. Flutter Hackathon was 2 days ago, actually. Oh, was it? Man, I wasn't invited to my own hackathon? Feels bad, man. It has been a while since we've given some VIPs. Let me do that real quick. We also may need more mods. Nah, mods. We don't need more mods. Come on now. Yes. Definitely a couple people that come to mind. Woo! Thanks for being here, friends. Loosemans, welcome back. Nice to see you. How we doing? How we doing? Calfee and Calfee. You got it. Thanks for the coffee, Demon. Cheers, friend. Appreciate ya. I vote that we need less mods. Oh, I see. Interesting. Hey, Oxygen. Time to update React router over to major versions. Feeling the pain incoming. Yo, best of luck. Oh, we did a lot of React navigation stuff before, and it was a scary time. Timeout, Mr. Demon Wolf? Oh, damn. Timeout for his birthday. Feels bad, huh? Demon Wolf, see you in 1 minute, my friend. Appreciate you. There you go. Timeout, Rushki. Oh, God. Rushki. Sorry, man. See you in a minute, dude. Peace. July 3rd, Hack 20 winners announced? Oh, the actual Flutter hackathon. Yes, that is true. We did it first. I think that's Google's hackathon. They suck. We did Flutterthon 2020 first before anyone. That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say. Why did you prefer starting from scratch? Did they not offer stuff you wanted? Oh, gotcha. I think that's a DMCA, not gonna lie. Hey, I think so too. Anyways, so now that we're here, we've created our playlist and we've authed with Apple Music. I'm gonna press allow. It deep links back into our app. And now you'll see here the cool kids. Probably an issue. Current user is null. Well, that's good to know. I wonder if that actually went through then. No, actually, I think we're good. So now if I go over to Apple Music and I refresh, we should see our playlist pop up. Actually, sometimes it takes a minute. I've noticed with Apple Music. This was... Oh, that was 6 minutes ago. We might have found another bug actually. Yeah, this app.js 60. Let's take a look at that. Is it 60? 160. Oh, I see. Yeah, so actually it's not going to work. For some reason. So it probably didn't even write to our user document. Yeah, we should check it out at our social platform. Nope. Yeah, it didn't write. Interesting. So it didn't pick up the user at this point, which is not very good. Wonder why that happened. Huh. Okay. Well, that's definitely a bug that we should probably fix. So at this point, once you deep link back in from that Apple authentication, you should be greeted with the, well, you have your playlist, but you should be able to have the playlist created also in Apple Music playlist. Yeah, something's wrong there. We gotta fix that. Cool. Anyways, but yeah, so then the next portion here would be you add a song. And so all you have to do to add a song is add a link to the playlist. Problem is right now we actually don't have this set up for Apple Music support. So that's going to be one of the next things we work on. But that is groovy right now. That is groovy. Hey, Curious, welcome back. Nice to see you. Oh my God. Time out yourself? Okay. I guess see you in a minute. It's weird. Stay silent for a minute. What a mad lad. What a mad lad. If that's what you want, I will be more than happy to abide. Our mad lads. All right. Yeah, we should figure this out. So the other thing is if I create a new playlist here, you'll actually see that we aren't prompted with that same prompt to sign in with Apple Music because we've already gone through the prompt once. And so essentially you should be signed in, or you should say not now, I don't want to do it. And right now we just don't do it to anything. And then you'll see here, social platform does not have an API token. Yeah, which is not good. So I'm curious to see what's going on with this deep link. I think that's probably what we should do to start. I need to open this real quick. Yeah, I gotta add that to our bugs list here. MEMBER. Yeah, I think we should definitely look at that first. But yeah, this one we are almost done with. We have to do deployments. Oh, clicking on song in dev mode. Yeah, I forgot about this. We got to do that too. Yeah, so let's start with the deep link stuff and we'll go from there. Interesting. So handle open URL. Happens here. So this happens on our use effect in app.js. My God. I don't want to be assimilated with bad typing. Come on now. What's wrong with you people? How rude. Damn. Yeah, Ed, so because of DMCA stuff, or DCMA, I always forget, DMCA, digital media? DMCA, right? Yeah, I've stopped doing Fastify for that reason, unfortunately. Digital Millennium Copyright Act, DMCA, yes, thank you. Everyone knows I'm the best. That's right, Dessa. There we go. Assert that. Heck yeah. Yeah, so I think we should probably start, I guess, by printing out what's going on here. Oh, current user. So, handle open URL. Current user passed in. This actually comes from Firebase auth. Interesting. So that means Firebase auth is null. All right, so I'm going to do we are here. And then we're going to say current. Actually, we can probably just do this as part of one line. So really what I want to check here is, do we hit this thing again? We must, because we are doing handle open URL. And yeah, so that's going to require us to actually go through and delete this user, unfortunately. So we're going to sign out. And on sign out, we're actually going to go back. We're going to go through that same auth flow that we just did. These checks kind of suck because it takes a little bit of time to go through and yeah, and debug. Because you got to do this every time. All right. We should be good to go. Diomac. What? Oh, Diomac. I see. Alec.bad at spelling always returns true as its constant dummy. Okay. I see how it is. Where's my notepad gang? Oh no. Best world, please. Please don't tell me you use Notepad on a daily basis. Please don't. Oh, we need to restart the app. Yes. Restart that because we just changed some stuff here. Okay, so sign in with Apple again. Continue. Do the thing with the secret thing. All right, and then we can come back over here. Yeah, boy, groovy. Let's get groovy. Create the account. Should be good to go there. And then, man, what do we do at this point? Yeah, so now we can actually go in and create our playlist and go from there. I think you have the wrong camera enabled on the secret screen. No. Maybe a little bit. I use Notepad++, actually, no joke. Okay, okay, Notepad++, yes. I can understand it. I know people that use that as well. Not a fan, but that is not Notepad in my opinion. Yeah, just not equal Notepad++. Yeah, boy. Hey, good one, Dessa. Yeah. That'll be the next one. Hey, Slowly Running. How does that sign in with Apple work? Do you have request some rights or can you just implement that in your app? Yeah, so with iOS 13, that sign in with Apple, that little UI flow is actually an API exposed by Apple now. So if you're on an iOS device, you'll always get that cool UI. And then there's just some setup that you have to do with it, right? Like what information you're looking for. And they do this really cool thing where you can actually give an anonymous email. And so you don't actually have to give your real email. And it links it to the developer in a way that we can still use a like unique identifier for that person without actually giving them that email. Yeah, I get you, Best World. No worries, no worries. All right, so we're going to try to create another playlist. And we'll press add. And so at this point, we're going to go, let's go. Deep link back over here. Or open this up. Sign in here. We're going to deep link back. So we just get probably an issue right off the bat here. Line 161. So that again is in, that's in handle open URL. Oh man. Oh, I think I know what we need to do. I know the problem here. So instead of passing handle open URL, our current user, since we actually never get back in here. Yeah, we never get back here, and that actually makes sense. So the reason why is because our use effect is set up to only run once, and we do set up our listeners to actually handle that, but at that point we're not actually passing anything in yet. Yeah, I think that makes sense. So with that being said, all we should have to do is just move this. Yeah. Oh, we don't have to. I can just put that in the try as well. Put that like that, and then our current user, yeah, should equal this. And so we should have access to our Firebase auth at this point either way. Okay, yeah, I think that should be good. Let's remove all the other ones here. Remove this current user. Yeah. Okay, I think that should do the trick for us. Let's go ahead and we can refresh. And I think all we have to do is just go back to that deep link and deep link back into the app. We should be good. Nice, Tessa. Yeah, I can understand that that feeling. This song just went brrr. Yeah, I know. I was kind of just taken aback by that for a minute. I was like, hello? Kind of want to change it up a little bit. I feel like the music right now, I'm in this nice, like, let's do some chill, dude. Some like lo-fi. Nice, some chillness. This is not really lo-fi, I presume, but whatever. Okay, so now what we'll do from here is we will go back over here. Sign with Apple. Open this thing. There it is. Okay, so you'll see here we actually called our update user API token. Is API token update. Yeah, so we got that. And then now you'll see if we go back to our social platform for our user, we now have an API token for that user as well as some more information. And now, my friends, now we should have a playlist in Apple Music. There it is. For anyone that hasn't seen it yet, groovy. This will work right there. Finally adding Apple Music playlist, which is awesome. There it is. So now we just got to start adding songs. But yeah, that's what we got here. I'm a huge fan of VS Code. Huge fan. Okay. So now we should say that is checked off. We are good to go. Damn. Yeah, buddy. That's all about it. That's all about it. And we should commit this real quick. Git diff. Oh, wait. Are there more files here? Okay, no. I was like, what? Yeah, so we just removed that stuff. Yep. Okay. And this will be fixing null there we go. Woo! I've been waiting 167 minus 32 days for this. Yes, I know, Yag, I know. We're almost there. We are so close. We're so close. Samuel the boy, welcome back. AGRB99, thanks for the follow, my friend. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you. My back's hurting, so I'm going to put up the desk. Probably makes sense to stand a little bit when your back hurts. Folks, if you're able to, put up your desk, put your laptop and monitors on some boxes maybe. Get that spinal fluid moving. Woo! Oh, man. Wow. Yeah, feels really good on my back. Using IntelliJ IDEA and Xcode for obvious reasons. Oh, nice. Have you tried app code? Hello. How's it going? AGRB. Appreciate you being here. Yeah, go grab your boxes, go grab your books, put your monitor on some stuff. Yeah, get it flowing. Get those spinal juices flowing, man. All right, I'm not feeling this either. I'm looking for like maybe it's this. Maybe something like this. I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling. I'll use 2K points right now to make him sit again. Alex says I'm the one, but you can see now kind of I am. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Go and find one to lurk another program while I have to document changes. Heck yeah. Well, thanks for the lurk. Documenting changes. Thanks for being here. Hope your work's going well today, my friend. Samuel the boy with 300? Hype train? Yo, Samuel. Dude, we hit a level 5 hype train a bit earlier. But I'm always down for another hype train if we can get another one going. And thanks for dropping those 3 emotes here in chat for everybody. All right. So now that we got that handled, the next step is to move on to our next bug. So, yeah, it was deploy Firebase function to support trigger function for Algolia for testing. Need to go through the proper deployment process for this. Maybe we'll need separate branch for dev. Yeah. So man, I kind of want to avoid this. So the way that the Golang functions work, right, is you have your master branch. And as you deploy new changes to your master branch, anyone using the package can actually do like a go get, and it picks up the latest from master based on a versioning number. And so we have that for production, but we don't have anything set up for our development environment like that. Now that I think about it, I guess it really doesn't, this probably doesn't matter. Let me figure out if this is pulling back from another package. Yeah, actually. Oh, I mean, I guess if we're deploying it to master, then yeah, it doesn't matter. But if we didn't want to deploy it to master, that's the caveat, right? That's the difference that we want. By the way, Twitch finally does subscription and bit prices in local currency. Oh, no way. That's awesome. Good to know. I've never ran into that issue because, you know, US based, but yeah, I'm sure that's probably really exciting. All right, we're going to come back to this one. I'm not sure how I want to handle this yet. But this one we should definitely look at. So clicking on a song in dev mode is not a good experience. We should probably... And so since we can't add songs right now via Apple Music, we should sign out and sign into a Spotify account. So we're going to go over here, sign out with Spotify. We're already signed in. So it should just bring us directly over here. And you'll see, hey, and by the way, you'll see our playlist, The Cool Kids, the one that we're a part of. And you'll see your boy Groovy right there. So you can see how they all interact. This is all coming from Firebase right now, which is awesome. How do you know if a site is offering an API? Pino, usually if you just go to a site, I mean, depending on like what it is, if you type in that site and then like public API, you'll find out if they have any public APIs or if someone has created some. Do you decide on the font for the app? Yeah, so I'm just using regular, for iOS, we're just using SF fonts. So San Francisco fonts, Apple's generic fonts. And then for Android, I'm using the generic, whatever the Android font is. I don't know what the name is, but yeah, I haven't really thought about it other than that, Glorian. Why is it not Comic Sans? I don't know. We should go ask Chris why we're not using Comic Sans. He'll know. He'll tell me why we should use Comic Sans. Oh, Roboto. Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point. Okay, so now, oh, I gotta hide this as well. Just real quick. I'm gonna go open Spotify. I'm gonna sign in with my personal Spotify account on here. So I'm gonna sign out of that real quick. Cool. Oh, I guess I have to do this, right? Oh, did I have to change? I don't remember. Yes, okay, I had to change that password. Hey, how's the camera quality? What do you guys think? What are your thoughts right now? So I think it's pretty good. I do think the camera angle should probably change a little bit. But yeah, I think it's pretty good. Yeah. It looks pretty nice, pretty slick. It's aight. Just aight. I mean, there's definitely a quality difference, right? Yeah, please, come on. Please tell me there's a quality difference. We can see the beard finally. Yes. Hey, Jeff, very crisp. Cheers, friend. Thank you. I'm glad. Yo, let's get a Knocked Loose song up in here. Woo! My favorite. And Still I Wander South. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the song link for this thing. And we're going to go, I guess we'll go to the Cool Kids. Let's delete these other playlists. I don't want these in my app anymore. You do realize mostly have your camera in an almost 200 pixel square? Yes, I do realize that, but there is a quality difference in some scenes. No, I was really lucky that, oh, I guess let me do this first. So add song, all you have to do is literally add the song link. Spotify will handle, or Groovy will handle the rest for you. Press add song. So you see now we have our song here. And so you can actually go into the comments section and say, whoa, this song is an absolute banger. It really is. If you haven't listened to it, highly recommend it if you're into screaming metal music. Yeah. And there you go. You have the option to now add comments to a song, blah, blah, blah. Babger? No! No, I spelt it right. Get out of here. I spelt it right. Babger. You scared me for a minute. So now at this point, the bug was when I click on this, it should deep link you into the Spotify app. Or if you don't have the app, it just go to, open up a new browser. So when I click this, it works. Huh. Okay, that's weird. So I guess it works. What? Okay. Weird. I guess it works. None of the other playlists had any other songs, so Babker. Listen to the new Bring Me Higher song? I did. It's so good, Ed. I was super impressed with it. The bug has been on so I guess it I guess there's no bug. I don't know really. Guess you can check that one off the list. Weird, man. I wonder if it had to do with like a specific song. Yeah. Let's check the database. We can check the database for our songs real quick. So what happens is every time someone adds a song to Groovy, we actually create a new song document in Firebase. And this is actually going to set up a bunch of different URLs for Apple Music, for Spotify, for YouTube Music. And so depending on what service provider you're using, like if you're signed in with Apple Music, we actually we'll search our DB for the song. And if we have the song already, all we do is grab the document with the Apple Music link to it. And that's it. Instead of making a call to go to Apple Music and get it and do all that fun stuff. You just wanted to give up? What do you mean? Yeah, no, I'm looking through the stuff now. Babger. God, I'll never live this down. Babger. All of these seem to have valid URLs. Weird, man. I'm wondering if so it was undefined. So there must have been a time when we were working on something when we were pulling back the songs. Oh, so now that, okay, let's add a couple songs here and let's actually refresh the app and see if it pulls down properly. If it doesn't pull down properly, that's probably what the issue is. Get some whitewashed up in here. Woo-wee. Whitewash, baby. Oh. It's a banger too. It's a Babger. If you don't find API by Googling public API site, what do you do then? Does that mean there probably isn't a public API? Is it possible to track from your site without public API? Yeah, so most likely if you can't find an API for a site like that, there most likely isn't one. So there's this thing called web scraping, where essentially you can actually scrape the content of a web page. I think we've had talks on this channel about it being like, I don't know, illegal in some countries. I can't quite remember. I've never done it, but I've heard, I know a lot of people go that route as well. If you need information from a page. The other thing you can do if you're feeling bold is you can actually sniff the network calls for a website and try to discover the APIs on your own and see what they take. Yeah. I don't want to put them through more stuff. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's difficult. I only have 9K emails on Gmail. It's a lot of emails. When your bucks pity you. Yes, Yadia. Welcome, by the way. Andrew. Yo, cheers, friend. It has been a while. Welcome back. Nice to see you. Scraping on Discord. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's what it was. I couldn't remember. I know we talked about it at some point. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's add a couple more songs here. Okay, cool. So now what I want to do is I want to refresh. We sign in, it pulls our playlist, and all of our songs now should be here. So what I was getting at is our songs are being pulled down from Firebase, and the URLs are actually incorrect. So let's see if that's actually true. And if we go over here. Okay, external URLs. I mean, I see them here. Yeah, things look good. So now if I click one, it deep links directly in. This is a new error from Spotify. Whoa, dude. That's weird. Oh, it's just for that song. Interesting. I wonder if that song doesn't get much traffic. Weird. Can I just add a song to Spotify playlist and it syncs? In regards to Groovy? So we do plan on having that implementation, but it's not set up yet. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, like these gems. Yeah, this is all Pretzel Rocks. Oh, no, this isn't from a playlist. So this is all from... Yeah, if you literally go to pretzel.rocks, you'll actually be able to... You can access this playlist yourself as well. This is the... I can give you the name. I don't know if I can share it. Yeah, I don't think I actually can send the link to it. But the station that I'm playing through right now, it's called Synthwave. Yeah. So if you go to Pretzel Rocks and go to Synthraid. Yeah. And it's because of the DMCA stuff. Yeah, we used to play tons of music here on the stream, but I don't, you know, I'd rather not have to get a strike on the channel for music. So unfortunately, we have to do this stuff. Yeah, it really is. It is amazing. Oh, thanks, Yak. Appreciate you. Cool. So, I mean, should we try it on Android? I mean, this is on an iOS device. I'm trying to break it. I don't know what the problem is here. Let's try it on Android. I don't know. I don't think it should be, doesn't seem to be platform specific, especially since it originally happened on iOS. Weird. Weirdness for sure. But it might just be one of those things where it just, we're good to go. Have you tried Code Radio? No, what is that? Tell me more. Sounds cool. Yes, I am looking for this. I always forget the command, so I gotta copy and paste it here. Yeah, so we're gonna first start up our Android emulator here. What is the next beta release? I don't know, Isaac. Hopefully fairly soon. Yeah, it's like it's been kind of weird because I've been working a lot on like off stream. I haven't been working on Groovy. I've been working on this other iOS app because I'm doing some stuff with iOS 14 and things like that. So I haven't been able to put much more time into this, but I would say probably another month or so we'll have another release out with all this Apple Music stuff and a lot of fixes, hopefully. Kind of worried about streaming, making my music since I used to do it on Mixer and that shut down. I'm going to go try and do it with Twitch again, but you never know how bad Twitch's detection algos are. Oh, yeah. I totally get that, Yag. Man, I hope, yeah. It's weird because like when you're making music, like if you're mixing music, right? I mean, if you're making first party music, like you shouldn't have any issues, but you can always dispute it, right? But yeah, I totally get that concern. Yeah, I hope it works out. Cheating on Groovy already. Well, so iOS 14 was released, right? The new SDK is out, and I had this idea that I've been wanting to finish for a while, and so I just decided to finish it. And so hopefully in the next couple weeks I'll have it done, and then I can go back to this. Yeah, I just want to release the app. It's been a while. Oh, I see, Ag. So the first thing that you'll notice here is that we don't have an Apple Music button here, obviously. So we're going to sign in with Spotify. It's already linked to our Groovy account, I believe. Or it's not. Hello? We have been having a lot of sign-in issues with Android. I don't know why. Oh, I didn't do Android build. That's probably why. Or Android start. We gotta do that stuff too. Tell us more. Yeah. Oh, so the app that I've been working on, I've named it Tesla Voice. I don't know what I don't really like the name fully yet. But I'm gonna be. I don't know. That's what it's called. But essentially, it's just an app that has a list of. Sorry. There we go. It has a list of Siri shortcuts for iPhone. So, for example, if I want to check on the battery of my car, I can say, like, Siri, what's my car battery? And then it'll tell me the percentage. Or Siri, open my trunk. Or things like that. Essentially these commands that you can do with your Tesla with your voice. And so I've made a list, an app that's just a list of things that you can add those quickly to your shortcut app in iOS. And then the cool thing about iOS 14 is they have this new thing called widgets. Hey, Lithium. Yeah, exactly. So iOS 14 has this new thing called widgets. Probably very similar. Yo! Lithium coming in with that tier 1 for 6 months. Yo, salute, my friend. You getting a new brain today. I think you had a blue brain. Woo-wee. Thanks for the tier 1, my dude. Appreciate you very, very much. Thank you. Salute. So this thing called widgets. And so essentially it's like what Android users have had for a while. But it's pretty much this, right? These like blocks here. You can actually add custom stuff there. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to make a widget that you can put on your home screen for your Tesla that gives you the battery percentage, maybe like how much range you have left, what the temperature in your car is, if it's locked or unlocked, things like that. So that's really what it is. And so I'm learning Swift UI. I'm building it all in Swift UI. And then, yeah, I've learned a lot of like Siri kit stuff. So that's what it is. If any of you do have a Tesla, please let me know. Would love someone to test it out other than me. Sorry, Yak, my God. Yeah, yo, Yadia, me too. It's gonna be cool. Also true, Lithium. Yeah, thanks, Andrew. Math for poor iPhone users. It's just, so I've set up the logic for this, this Siri voice command stuff for a while. And something broke in our app here. I'm going to delete Groovy. I haven't opened the Android app in a while, so we should probably just remove it all together and rebuild. Yeah. I've had the logic for that app set up for a while, but I wanted a way to essentially make a catalog of these, like, I don't know, these actions you can do with your voice, because there's so many cool things you can do with Teslas. It's like from your phone, there's so many scenarios I'm sure people could set up a shortcut that could easily get set up like that. Hey, awesome auction. Yeah, I'm gonna post in the Discord for sure. So I will definitely hit you up, and if you're willing to test it out, I would love that. That'd be awesome. I don't have a Tesla. Yeah. No worries, Isaac. Totally understandable. Totally understandable. Oh, wait, what? Oh, web view. Wait. Native web view. I thought I deleted web view. So oh. Did I? I don't. I still have it here. Ah. Yeah, I forgot about that. So we were going to use native web view for some stuff, but we ran into some issues. See you later, Rusty. Thanks for hanging out, friend. Have a great one. Enjoy your food. Looking for something like this? Oh, heck yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Hey, Oxygen. So let me ask you, because I've been thinking about this. On my phone, at least, I keep my Tesla app on the dock on the bottom right, since, you know, obviously I use it a lot. But I thought the widget would be really cool. So you can have, like, you open your home screen and you have a quick glance at the main things I kept thinking about were, you know, range left in my car, if it's locked or unlocked, and then also like the interior temperature. So do you feel like if you had a widget like that in iOS 14, you would actually use it? Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, there's always been stuff around TikTok, you know? Okay, so React Native Web View. Yeah, I think at this point, we don't need this anymore. Let me go also to my iOS folder and just verify I'm not using this thing in my pods. We were going to use it, but we actually ended up not using it, like I'm saying. Oh God. I think I might have deleted it. I did. Yeah, okay, so we should do npm uninstall the React Native Web View. Yeah, let's get that thing out of here. I think that's what's messing up our builds. And then we'll probably need to do an npm I again as well, just in case. Yeah. Would try. Yes, but I'm not sure about widgets in general. I see. Okay, yeah, I kind of have the same feeling with the widgets. I want to try them out on my phone to see how they are. But yeah, I feel like it's just quick information, right? Like it's just like right there. And when you're looking at your car constantly, it probably makes sense. First, you need to buy a Tesla. Go do a Glorian. Use my referral code, please. Thank you. Do Teslas have a way of telling tire pressure? I don't know. It might be part of the API. Would have to look. Not sure. As I also use the Apple Watch for widgets style stuff. Oh, I see. Yeah, so the cool thing about this, I think, since it uses Swift UI, and Swift UI is now available on essentially every platform, I think, you could, I think, make a widget for that as well. That's crazy, Ag. Completely oblivious of Teslas. We don't have them in my country. That's okay. Yeah. There's a lot around where I live. And I also own one. But battery percentage, kilometers, miles left, lock state, and temp would be nice on such a glance view. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. And so, like, I have a feeling that other people are probably going to do this. So I wanted to be, like, the first out of the gate to just, like, essentially, I would love to submit the app by, like, this weekend and have it ready to go for anyone that's using iOS 14 beta, and just start proving on it. Yeah, I want a Model X too. Though I just saw a Model Y around my neighborhood the other day, and that thing is sick. I like that car a lot. Where do I buy a Tesla in Narnia? Yeah, there's a Tesla store down the street, didn't you know? Oh, nice, Oxygen. Yeah, dude, I forgot about that. That's sick. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's essentially what I want to do for people that don't have smart mirrors. But I want to give people the option. So, like, a lot of different, ways, because you can switch the views or, like, decide what you want to put in your widget, right? So I don't know, I think widgets are going to be really cool on iOS. I'm really glad that we finally have them. There's going to be a lot of really cool ways around it. Yo, Crimes, hook me up. That's exactly what happens. Exactly what happens. How'd you know? Hey, Flip Jorge, how easy, hard is it to make a widget for an app made in React Native? A widget for an app made in React Native. I actually don't know. I don't know if React Native has support for widgets. I mean, like, React Native is going to be a few months behind iOS 14 to begin with, right? So a lot of the new APIs that are coming out, React Native probably won't have it for a while. Yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. But welcome in. Nice to see you. Oh, for sure, Oxygen. Yeah. For sure. Yeah, yeah, Glorian, it is. Everything's a widget. Have you seen the NFC mods of Tesla Raj on YouTube? Worth a look. He also used shortcuts with Siri, I think, to open trunk frunk. Yeah, I have seen them. Yeah, they're pretty cool. So my issue is I'll have like either my AirPods in or maybe like my watch. And if my hands are full, like I'm carrying groceries or something, I'm just always like, oh man, like I wish I could just open my trunk right now. And without taking out my phone or like my frunk or anything like that. Yeah, I think there's a lot of scenarios where voice would actually be pretty great. And like, even just shortcuts in general. At 8 a.m. every morning, if I'm about to start driving to work, Kappa, heat up my seats during the winter, right? Like, just even setting that up would be freaking awesome to begin with. 101, back to third place. Isaac, thank you for all your support today, my friend. I appreciate you very, very much. Thanks for the 101 bits. Woo! There are 60 plus Teslas registered here, but we don't even have a dealer. You have to bring it from Sweden. Oh, interesting. Huh. Man, 60 Teslas, huh? Wild. There's so many around here where I live. Yeah, man. All right. So we got the app running. Let's go ahead and sign up with Spotify now. Hopefully this works. Opening up Spotify should do the trick. Hello? Well, this is awkward. So yeah, we've been having a lot of issues with Android deep links. Oh. What happened? Why is it broken? I'm not sure. Samuel the boy! 400 bits back to second. Oh, baby. Hey, cheers. Thank you for the 400 bits and welcome back to second. Thanks for those bits, friend. Appreciate it. I think NFC is not very practical, but the idea is nice. Yeah, for sure, actually. I agree. Yeah. It's cool. It's cool to have, but Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Hey, Assad, welcome. I don't know what's going on here with this app. We're gonna have to take a look at this now. 60 does not seem much until you understand that any major city in the US has more people than the entire country here. Yeah, I guess that's true, Dr. Ray. Good point. Good point. If you have implemented an API to a site before, would you say it's hard to get it done when the API is connected to your site? Is it hard to customize how the API output looks on your site? No, Pino. Once you have the data, you can massage it however you want, right? Like, you can decide how you want it to look. You can customize it. That just comes down to the CSS or whatever framework you want to use, right? So you'll have no problem doing that. It just takes some time to learn. Isaac. Well, we got a little bit war going on, huh? 500 bits. Yo, thank you so much for that, Isaac. I appreciate you, friend. Back to second place. Back to second place. Being Samuel the Boy by 101 bits. Ooh, baby. Thank you for that, friend. Are you able to use Yoga for the Swift app? I think it's the most like Flexbox. I don't know if they have Swift UI support. I'm doing everything in Swift UI. And so I'm doing everything from scratch. Yeah. I can just probably show what I have currently set up for Sketch. Yeah, this is, I need to redo the login screen, but this is what I'm thinking. So I have the table set up already. But yeah, essentially just this kind of, and then I haven't done the, like a nav bar, so you can actually ignore that, but this is how it looks. It looks something like this, right? Yeah. And so it has add Siri buttons on them. And then I was working on the sign-in screen. It's just very basic, but I feel like it could definitely be more. And yeah, that's it. But yeah, all using Swift UI. So it's been a fun learning experience for sure. Some sitter said, stop sitting on your ass. Dr. Ray, we've been standing this whole time. What do you mean? I can reject or sit, whatever you prefer. Let me know. Oh, if I reject reject it, I can actually give you the bits back or the points. I guess I won the bit war. I think you did. All right, let's look at this login issue. Oh, is this? It's weird because it deep links back, but it doesn't look like it's actually. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. I'm not getting any logs at least. All right, I gotta figure this out once and for all. This has been so annoying because I get people that join the beta and they're like, by the way, I can't actually sign in with Groovy on Android for Spotify, and it's very frustrating. Yeah, let's figure this out. All right. So I think the first thing is let's understand what we're looking at here. So in regards to state, it looks like nothing is being initialized, right? Which makes sense because we haven't logged into the app yet. But we can start with the sign in or Spotify actions. We can kind of go through here. So handle Spotify deep link. Let's check the references for this thing. Yeah. Okay, so handle open URL. So we open URL. And then again, we have some special setup for... Oh. Is it because of this flag, maybe? Yeah, we should take a look at this flag. And then I also kind of want to change this to use await async. Oh, I don't think we can in use effect. Oh, maybe that's what the issue is? The Model Y has 7-seat interior in 2021. It's also half the price of the Model X. Has a 7-seat? What? I didn't know that. Hey, silly. Good day, my friend. Welcome back. Nice to see you. Went bruh for a moment. Internet. Psh. All right, we're gonna sit down a little bit. Oh. You're using too much internet, Yag. That's what's going on here. Yeah, I guess let's start with this thing. We should probably see deep link flag. Just put value here. We can start off with what this thing actually equals and go from there. Beef Master the Unseen. What's up, my friend? Welcome in. Hey, learning JS at the moment, first year CS student. Just wondering why you have to define the functions as const equals. Yeah, so this is it's called a lambda function. And so lambda functions are just a different type of way of writing a function, right? In ES6, which is a newer version of JavaScript, you have the ability to write that like that. And so essentially all you're doing, that syntax really means is, hey, set my function to this variable. Oh my God. Right? And that's how it would work like that. Brooke Zerker? Brooke. Salute. Y saludos, my friend. Welcome. Thank you for the raid. Woo-wee. Thanks for bringing in those 9 fresh new devs, my friend. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Yo, huge shout out to Brooke Zerker. Folks, if you haven't checked out Brooke, Brooke's another awesome programming streamer here on Twitch. Go drop a follow. Go show some love. Go check out some other great programming streamers on here when I'm not live. When Brooke is here. Brooke, appreciate you, friend. Welcome in. Thanks for being here. Good morning. Good morning. Chantilly Cake, Evil Praise. Welcome. Thanks for being here. How we doing? Obrigado. Yeah, thank you. How's your stream? What's going on? Welcome in. Everyone coming from Book's channel. My name's Alec. I'm currently working on an app called Groovy. It's a mobile cross-platform application where you and your friends can get together and share music via playlists, add comments to songs, get notified when people add new content. The best part is if you're on different streaming providers such as Apple Music or Spotify, you can still collaborate in the same playlist together with no issues. So yeah, that's what we're currently working on. We're currently working through some Android sign-in bugs right now. So thanks for being here. Do you do coding challenges? I don't. I haven't on stream before. Yeah, I haven't. Oh, nice, Brooke. Heck yeah, that's awesome. I'm excited. Is a meetup talk like a Twitch thing, or is it just for like JS or something like that? But why const? So const in JavaScript means that it's a variable that will never change, right? So you can't set a new value to that variable. And the reason why you do something like this is in ES6, right? That JavaScript version. This means it's a function. So this equals function myfunc that, right? That's what that equals. It's just a shorthand for writing it. And so you'll see that a lot around the JavaScript community. Hey, Jay and Frank, thanks. Yeah, actually, if you head over here to our project, to Groovy right there, my friend, you can check it out. This project is open source, so feel free to look. We have a bunch of issues logged. If you're interested in contributing, definitely feel free. Yeah. Yeah, Beefmaster, no problem. No problem. Glad it makes sense. Hope your learnings go well, and you're more than welcome to More than welcome to ask any questions. We also have a really awesome Discord for anyone who was gifted a sub today. If you get a really cool badge or role in chat, intern role, and then it's also a great place to ask questions if you have any. Yeah. Thanks, Frank. Appreciate that. But it's jazz. Yes, silly. Yes. Oh. Yeah. Have a great one, Brooke. Appreciate that raid again, my friend. Have a great rest of your day. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I saw that yesterday, I think. What are you using for line errors? Yeah, we're using a package or a extension called Error Lens. Yeah, right over here, my friend. Dragonfleas! What is with all the old members coming back? This is great. Yo, salute, my dude. Welcome in. Holy shit, tier 3. Let's go. 4-month tier 3 streak. Yo, can we get some hype for Dragonfleas for our senior dev in chat? Woo-wee. 4-month tier 3, dude. Thank you for that. Welcome back. Nice to have you. OG time, baby. Dude, what's up? Welcome back. Nice to see you. It's been a while since you've been by. It's been a while. It's been a while since I last saw you. Something like that, right? Okay, so we're looking at the deep link flag. So deep link flag is null. Okay, makes sense. And so if value equals null or value equals false, get initial URL, then we do this. So it does equal null. If URL does not equal null. So we should probably go in here and say console.log URL not null and see what we get at this point. Yeah, man, we keep running into these issues with Android. We gotta fix them. Did I tell you guys I did voice acting gig for GoDaddy? Oh, you did? Dude, that's awesome. Your voice acting's on point, man. I'm so happy. How did it go? How did it turn out? Yeah, dude, once it airs, you gotta tell us. You gotta send it in Discord. That's awesome. Oh man, that's great. Okay, so you'll see that we have this here. So URL is not null. So if URL is not null, so linking get initial URL. If the app launch is triggered by an app link with, it will give the link URL. Otherwise, it'll give null. Note, to support deep linking on Android, refer to blah. So I guess let's see what the URL is as well. I'm just trying to debug this kind of line by line and see like what these states are. Okay. Oh, it already gives us the code. It's actually kind of weird considering that. Interesting. So the URL does work, and you can see we have the code at the end of this thing. And URL not null. So let's go to, just keep going down the line. Handle open URL. Current user. So we can just do console.log in Spotify auth. And then new user object, handle Spotify deep link, set initial user data. I was going to buy a new Mac now, Mac with an ARM processor coming out. I think I should hold back. Hey, I was on the same boat, Pollux. I think I'm going to hold back. I'm excited to see what these new ARM processor Macs are going to look like. I have the 2016 MacBook Pro. So yeah, I think within, I don't know, like a year or two, I'll probably buy a new one. I'll have had this laptop for like 6 years at that point. So I want to wait for it to, there's a lot of stuff that's going to be a lot of unsupported things, I have a feeling, for the next few years. Interest stepping back as Reddit's maintainer? Oh, no way. Wow, that's actually crazy. Yeah, I'd hold back on our... What's up, Main-L? Yeah, I think so, probably. Fun. Yeah, T-Chains, all you gotta do is take a look here, my friend. Max with an arm. Yes, that's exactly what's coming out. Max with arms. So I'm trying to use VS Code, because why not? And I'm going to try working with PHP first for giggles. For some reason, my PHP executable path is not a PHP executable. Any idea why? You might need to change your... I don't know. Do you have to change your path, maybe? Your PHP path? I'm not really quite sure. I actually haven't used PHP in VS Code. Yeah, no problem, Chainus. Rosetta 2 looks pure sorcery. Yo, I agree, Schnub. I agree. Folks, we're actually, so one thing I want to note before we continue here. So there's another awesome developer here on Twitch. His name is J.W. He's really into Apple as well. And so I'm actually setting up some time for him and I to have like a talk about WWDC this past year. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be really exciting. We're going to have a nice conversation about it, probably for a couple hours. Talk about some new updates, talk about some good things, some bad things. So yeah, if you're interested, join the Discord. Stay tuned for that event that will be coming soon, probably next week sometime. Join our Swift Creed. Yeah, hello, man. Nice to see you. Silly, thanks for using your pixels here, my friend. Let me go ahead and grab that. Haven't had a custom comment in a while. Oh, man. Ah! What's today? 29? 29? Wait, 29 or 30? 30! Oh my god, what a day. Tomorrow's July 1st, ain't it? Wowza. Thanks for using your pixels again, Silly. Appreciate you. Sounds like a game. Is it a spinoff from Bayonetta? No, it's actually a tool that's going to help convert Intel-based apps to Apple's new SoC, their new architecture. I have behaved myself for a long time. Okay. I'll put it right under this one as well. Thanks again for using your pixels here, my friend. Yes, you have. Oh, man. Okay, so now we're looking at this spot here. So handle Spotify auth. Let's see if we get through this. Handled auth. I don't know why I capitalized that. Put our token obj here. So really I want to see if we get to this point. And if we do, we just keep going down the line and see what's going on. Have you tried turning it off and on again? Yep, that's probably actually a really good point. Probably a really good point. Why not make it a comment streak? Ooh, babe. How do we do that? How should we comment that? Okay, so URL not null. Deep link flag is null. We do that, URL not null. And so we've actually broke somewhere down the line already. Oh. Wow, this is actually kind of crazy. So we should hit this here unless we're not even hitting this. So it might be our handle URL function here. Oh, snap. Yeah, we're not. Okay, so I don't even think we're hitting handle open URL. So URL not null, then handle open URL should be called. Yeah. Which is right here. So are we... Try this again. Swift is catching up to CPP. Ooh, it's actually really exciting, dude. Yeah. So I don't know if you're here earlier, but I've been working on tons of Swift UI, and got back into Swift last week. It's been fun. Been working on a little Tesla app. Here lies my last piece of trust in people taking software craftsmanship seriously. Damn. Thank you, Oxygen, for using those pixels, my friend. Should we add it? We should add it maybe the same spot. Here lies my last piece of trust in people taking software craftsmanship seriously. Man, that's epic. Sounds like we're about to go into like a programming battle. Hey, awesome, best world. Got it worked out. See you, Frank. Thanks for hanging out, friend. Have a good one. Yeah. So I actually haven't streamed it. I just been doing it on my own time. I think what I end up doing is I'm just going to end up building it, and then one stream I'm going to showcase it and then just submit it to the App Store probably. And we can talk about it, go over it. But yeah, it's just been something I've been working on for fun. And I'm almost done with it. Almost done. What Tesla app have you been working on? Do they have their own app store? So Tesla does not have their own app store. I'm working on an app for Teslas. I'm essentially creating just an app that allows you to easily create shortcuts with Siri Kit. And so essentially it's like, hey, you want to check the battery level of your car? You can actually ask Siri to do that for you. And so I'm going to create an app that does that. And then with iOS 14's new widget system, I'm going to create a widget for different like battery states and things like that of your car. I got allowed to merge PRs Swift related in the flat buffers repo. Oh, nice. Yo, let's go. That's awesome. Dude, you're killing it with the flat buffer stuff. It's exciting.
I'm here now, don't ignore me.
Folks, can we get a huge salute and clap for Dr. Dynamite? One of the most fantastic mods of this channel, I must say. Dude, thank you for that tier 1. 3 months in a row. Welcome to the... You got a green brain now, my dude. Green brain fam. Yeah, yeet. Thank you for that, dude. Thank you. And I'm not ignoring you. I promise I'll never ignore you again. Unless I want to ignore you. Then I'm going to ignore you. Hey, welcome back, dude. Hey, hope you like my camera. Give me your thoughts, your opinions. I think I need to probably move it, but I don't have any place to move it right now, so it's just going to chill here. But yeah, this is with the whole setup that we've been talking about, so thanks for that, man. Thanks for the help. I got a heart attack? Dude. You're killing it, man. That's why. People trust you. People trust you. That's why. Flip Jorge. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to the team, my friend. Okay, we definitely have a problem. So the problem is, handle Spotify deep link, or I'm sorry, where is this thing? Where are you? Where are you? Handle open URL is not getting called. That's the problem. Handle open URL is not getting called. We got a problemo there, which is really interesting because when we deep link back into the app, oh, does it? Wait a second. Sign on with Spotify. Yeah, deep link flag is called, and then URL is not null. But for some reason, handle open. Oh, oh my God. I see the problem, I think. Yes. Has this been the problem the whole time? Oh, dude. I see the problem. I see it. Yeah, loving it. Looks awesome. That keyboard is extra sexy. Hey, thanks, dude. Yeah, I didn't know what to do with the other cam. So I was like, I guess we'll do a keyboard cam. And everyone's like, nah, you should do a foot cam. So maybe foot cam soon. I don't know. You want to see my beautiful feet in socks? More than glad. Great minds think alike, eh? They do, my dude. They do. Yeah, no, so I have it set up here, right? But I want to move it over here because that's where like chat is and everything. The problem is the arms that I have don't wrap around my monitor mount well enough. It's like it's not high enough. Got the path to work? Oh, awesome. Awesome, best roll. No feet cam, please. Why? You don't like my feet? Stealing the keyboard camera angle? Okay. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, no, I think this is good. I just have it up on my monitor right here. And then I just have it pointed down, like at an angle like that. So yeah, dude, go for it, man. Go for it. I think it's pretty good. Yes. Okay, so here's the problem, folks. I think what's going on is here in our add event listener for Android, we don't add an event listener. We're doing this thing called get initial URL. This is how it should be done for deep links in Android. For iOS, we actually add an event listener. So when an event's fired off, that's actually passed. It's actually passed over here, which means we have a couple issues here. One, our event will always be null at this point if we don't actually pass an event through this thing. So I wonder if we can... Yeah, man. So if that's the case, we're going to have to do two different setups here. One handle open URL for iOS and then one for Android probably. Or we can just do a check for iOS and for Android. Though I feel like it'd probably be cleaner to handle them separately. Man, no wonder this hasn't been working. Interesting. Okay, so I think what we should do const. Oh, we can actually do something really fancy here. So handle open URL Android. And this thing's just going to be this here. So it's just going to be a regular function. So the way for this to actually work, this setup, is we would essentially need to do this. We'd have to actually call it. So this is a, I always forget the name, but it's a function that calls another function. Like hierarchy functions or something like that. I can't really remember. Let's just pretend I never had the issue to begin with. Was a big brain fart. Yes. Yes, thank you, useful abstraction. Higher order functions. I don't know why I can never remember the name of this thing. Higher order functions. Higher order functions. Function that calls a function. It's a higher order function. Yes. So that's the way to call this thing. That would work then. But we don't want that because we're not getting any events. What we want to do is we want to handle OpenURL for Android. And we want to handle OpenURL for iOS. So this thing here, go there, handle iOS, OpenURL iOS. That actually will have an event. This won't. And so pretty much we can kind of just grab this. We probably wonder if we can reuse any of this stuff. We can totally make this into another helper function. So we're first going to start with this here. Handle OpenURL, Android. Let's make sure that this actually works. Yay, Android. Only time you'll ever see me say that. Oh! Bjorn the dev. Welcome in, my friend. Thanks for being here. I'm still working. Duh. Cool. Yeah, so let's just make sure that this is actually the problem. I believe it is. Yeah, there you go. So you'll see yay Android right there. And so if we sign in with Spotify here, it goes over here, and then you'll see yay Android again. Awesome. So we are now getting called. That was the problem. Good to know. So we're going to do that. And then essentially what we need to do is we can pretty much make a helper function to run both of these things. They just have a couple key differences, right? And those are in regards to, we're not going to use the event. We're going to actually just pass in a URL. And so here, we can probably call this thing like const I don't know what I want to call this thing. Maybe we just call this handle OpenURL. And then for this, we pass in URL. We'll do set initial user data and then update user API token. What? Oh crap, I just deleted it. I'm like, what's going on here? Okay, cool. Yeah, so I'm still working a little bit on this keyboard. But yeah, essentially what we're going to want to do is pretty much just grab this try catch. And we'll keep that like that for now. Close that, do that. Okay. Step 1, get Firebase user. Yes. Let new user object, boom. And then for Android, we actually don't need the deep link in Oh, do I use deep link in progress for anything else here? No, I solely use it for Android, which means we should definitely remove that because this is our generic one. And we need to throw that in here. Set our deep link flag. Okay. And then for our instance of Spotify, essentially instead of event, we do url.includes because that's what we're passing in. Spotify auth. Yeah, we need to make this an async method as well. Nice. And then at that point, oh, handle Spotify deep link. what do you take here? An event, event.url. Do we use that for anything else? No. Why did I pass in the event like that? This should just be URL. Makes things much more complicated. Okay. So then we can do that. So we just pass in the URL at this point. See you later. Booyah. Set initial user data. Dunzo. Now here, we can also check for Apple auth. So at this point, we say else if includes that. Current user. Yep, we have that there. Provider length and Apple blah, blah, blah. Okay, playlist title and then events. So handle Apple deep link. This thing, I'm also passing in an event. Hopefully it's just for the URL. It is. Let's freaking go, boys. So we're going to replace that with just URL. I'm so curious why my choice was to, I don't know, to pass in the event object when I could just pass in the freaking URL. I don't really know. Yes, but we're going to call it like that. And honestly, that's all about it. And then we don't have to worry about this anymore. I guess the catch is, the only catch that we have, deep link in progress. Okay, what we should do is we should just put try catches not in here. We should actually put a try catch at the upper level that's calling this thing, right? So handle open URL will be called in each one of our devices, and we'll do a try catch on that. And based on those scenarios, we'll go ahead and set the different warnings based on whatever happens, right? Is it harder to develop for Apple or Android in React Native? I might be biased. I think it's easier to develop for iOS, but that's because I have a background in iOS development. And not really Android. So I find a lot of, and I also find a lot of the Android issues with React Native in general just to be really annoying. Like this deep link issue is very annoying in general. But you know, if you want to work with the platform, you gotta get it to work. Gotta get it to work. Okay, so that looks good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do handle open URL. So these guys, we'll start with Android. They're gonna be async, and we're gonna do try and catch me. God. Oh no. Try and catch me. All right. We're gonna do await handle open URL, and here we're gonna pass in what do we need? URL. So handle open Android URL, handle open URL at Android. You need to pass in essentially these things, literally like the same stuff here, like that. We're gonna wait for that. And handle open URL is going to come here. And if we run into any errors, we're going to want to do a console.warn. And we're going to say handle open URL Android. And then we're just going to pass in the error. Just like that. And then at this point, yeah, if there's any error, we're going to keep this as at false. Else, we're going to start off by setting our our async to true. So this deep link flag is solely used for Android, which is why I'm only doing it in here. Hey, this is a weird question. Were you in Japan December 20th, January 2019? That is a weird question. I was not. No. I was not. Okay, so then we're going to call this thing over here. We did that. And so we need to pass in now the URL here. And then, yeah, our event should be good to go there with that guy. Cool. So then handle this. We can do a try catch as well. And then, yeah, handle open URL. And this guy is going to be event.url. And then we're going to do set this initial stuff here. We're going to wait for that. And then console.warn here. I'm going to do iOS. Awesome. So that's pretty much it. So I actually cleaned up a lot of stuff here. But so now the thing that I want to do is we actually have the ability to do stuff like this. See if I can find it. We can set configs. Oh, I think it's in buttons. Social auth button? No. I think it's just in buttons in general. Where is this component that I made? Let me see where I can find it. Oh, yes. This is it. Yes, platform.select. That's what it was. So with select though, can I do this to do... I might be able to do this in order to... iOS buttons. I guess that's just where... I don't know how I could use platform select in this instance. I thought I used it somewhere else similar. Hey Jordan, I'm new to React Native, wondering how do you check whether the user is using Android iOS device? Ironically enough, this is exactly where. So you can use the platform, and then you could do this thing called platform select. Oh, right. This is how we can do it. And so platform will give you back an ID of iOS or Android. And so what we're going to implement right now is if the platform is iOS, we're going to use a specific handle function. If the platform is Android, we're going to use another handler function. So we're going to specify that right now, actually. So I had a dream tonight. Each person had different length of shadow, no matter the position of light or how dark light it was. And the length of shadow indicated something. I don't remember what exactly, maybe how bad a person is or how much awful things it's done. Huh. That's actually pretty wild, Ed. That sounds like a cool dream, but also kind of scary. Already saw it? Awesome, Jordan. Awesome. Yeah, sounded heaps weird, but for clarification, was at this bar in New Chiyozo Airport. Met these two American blokes who were software developers, would love similar to you without the beard. Oh, gotcha. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. That's awesome. Well, that's cool that you're able to travel a little bit too. Really cool. That's cool. That must have made an impact if you remember them from then. That's awesome. It's cool and scary. Yeah, it sounds absolutely terrifying. But it sounds actually really cool, so I don't know. I don't know what to say. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna actually want to set up something like this, and I realize that I have to start heading out shortly, but I want to see this thing work. Okay, so sign out button. So we have app here and we have helpers. So I think what I want to do is I think we should make a const here. This thing's going to be called on open URL handler. Call it that. If iOS, we're going to set handle open URL iOS. If Android, we're going to say handle open URL Android. So we can actually set these things on this guy. And then here, instead of splitting them up as so, we can actually just do this. And so we'll never have to worry about what platform is what. It will just do its thing on its own, right? Which is really exciting. Yeah, I think that's a pretty proper use for that. So let's do reload. It should work off the bat. Yeah, okay, cool. On open URL handler is not a function. It's not a function? That doesn't sound right. Yeah, when I sleep better, well, I've had a good sleep if I can remember my dreams. That's how it goes for me. Yeah, I totally get you though. Hey, Alec, were you in Japan in 2017, man? I swear I met you. Stop. Stop. I've actually never been to Japan. I would like to go one day though, for sure. Yeah, Jordan, I think that sounds about right. Seeing all these non-subs makes me want to make a mistake. Must give sub. Damn it, Dragon, please. Pocket, yo. Salute, my dude. If give sub action, evade gift. God, stop. I would like to go to Norway too, though. What kind of hiring manager are you, Kappa? Oh, yeah, for real. Oh, yeah. What type of hiring manager are you? God, missing all the good ones. Okay, so on open URL handler is not a function. Seems like a load of hoopla. Then what are you? What's your type? It sounds like a lot of hoopla, yeah. If you want to see University of Crypto, I put in the showcase project in Discord. Yes, I do. Awesome. Yeah, thanks, man. Well, crapola, dude. I'm gonna have to come back to this because I gotta start heading out. We should talk about what we did today, though. Okay. So what we did today. Started fixing. Oh, why am I doing that? We just need dashes. Issues with wait, what was our commit that we did? I don't even remember what that was. We should probably take a look at that thing. Oh, null Apple auth user. Yeah. With our Apple auth user being null. Found another bug with Android deep linking and sign in. Looked at the broken song links and no issues so far. Heck yeah. Time to sit stand. Ayo. You got it, Dr. Dynamite. Kef. I like that. Kef. Spinal juice. Get that spinal juice flowing, baby. Woo. Hey, Pocket, when's our next alpha? Probably in a month, I would say. Maybe a little less time. I want to spend like 1 or 2 streams just doing straight bug bashing from what we filed in the first alpha. 100%. So 3 months. Why? Why you gotta say that, man? You know it's not going to be 3 months. All right, maybe it will be a little bit, but shh, don't tell anyone. That's great. Yeah, more into culture there. Yeah, that's cool. It's all about culture when you go to new places, eh? Because you found life. So, not gonna lie, I was looking yesterday at the Half-Life series on Steam Summer Sale, and I think I'm going to buy it because I want to play. So this is my plan. I think on Saturdays I'm gonna start just doing a game stream, and I'm just doing game streams. Like I just want to play some games, and I feel like if I set a schedule every Saturday to just play a game, then I'll just do it. Half-Life. No, Doom first. I think I'm gonna go back to Doom. I don't know if I want to. I want to start Half-Life, man. I really want to play Alex. That's why I just want to get it going. You know what I mean? I don't. Maybe Doom Eternal one day. I kind of want to just start playing Half-Life. I was thinking about the other day. Yes, play through Yeah, so I think I'm gonna play through Black Mesa. From what I've heard, you can get through a lot of like the first Half-Life. Sailor Peric 47, thanks for the follow, by the way. And then I'll go to Half-Life 2 and then go to Alex. Yeah, I'm gonna play the series before Alex, 100%. The death counter, yo, my death counter was so bad. Yeah, that's what I've heard and that's what I've seen. It looks really good, and then like you get more of the story from Half-Life 1. So I think that's what we're gonna end up doing as part of the like weird schedule changes that are going on. I think Saturdays is just gonna dedicate to playing games because one of my biggest things I realized last week is I want to play more games. But for me, I'm that person where I literally have to put aside time or I won't play the game. So if I have like a stream schedule to go and play the game on, maybe I'll be more inclined to play it. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, hope to see you guys there. What we do next time, we need to finish up the Spotify deep link bug. Yep. What else we need to do? Yeah, the next thing we need to do is finish this last bug here. Essentially figure out Algolia search local setup for yeah, so Algolia search local setup for what's that thing? For Firebase functions. And then we have to do Firebase rules. And then after that, plan next feature. to build. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Uh-oh. I came in late. Yikes. Come on, Roars. Why are you coming in late? Welcome back. Not using Trello boards? No, what? Yo, GitHub issues, my friend. GitHub is where everything is at. Folks, thanks for hanging out today. Appreciate you all being here. I hope you had a fantastic time on the stream. It's a good first day back. Thank you all for being here. All the support. We got to a level 5 hype train today. So salute to all of you folks here. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy what you saw, I would love to have you back. Feel free to drop a follow. Also, come join our Discord. We have an awesome community over there. Get the latest up-to-date events, times, streams, things that we're working on, all the fun things. Would love to have you over there. Be a part of the community. Harry, Ed, Dragon, Yag. Appreciate you all being here. Roars. Thank you. I have no concept of time. Yeah, Dave, have a good one as well. Thank you all for being here. Yes, and I hope to see you all in the Discord. But folks, don't forget, at the end of every stream, we always throw a nice little raid to another fellow programming streamer out there in the world. So let's see who's online today. Let's see who we're going to raid. Give them the love. Yo, rip Dr. Disrespect, anyone? Hello, I am very intrigued to see what happens. Best Roll TV, thanks for the follow. Thanks for being here. Super Hobo Beard? I do tame it. I do. The problem is that it doesn't go down. I have like a beard straightener and everything. Christian Dan, thanks for the follow. Appreciate you being here as well. Yatia, thank you. See you later. Isaac, see you tomorrow. Have some serious allegations to it. Yeah, I'm really like intrigued. And I'm also really sad. I loved watching his stream, so it sucks because I hope he's just not a piece of shit. That's the worst part, you know? I don't know. I'm so self-conscious, Roars, now. Come on. I tried my best to calm it down. Anyways, let me look for a programming streamer here. God. Man. Feels bad, man. I gotta be better. I gotta figure it out. I might just end up trimming it. That's kind of what it's come down to, unfortunately. Who we got? Who we gonna raid today, folks? This looks kind of cool. This guy. Azo. Oh, Azo is a partner here as well. Try hack me boxes. Nah, maybe not. Maybe we should do like some web development or something. Some CF development. Just slather some coconut oil in it one night and let it steep in your sleep. It's actually not a bad idea. All right, I'm gonna try it. I just want to oil the beard. I use a balm to shape it. So like my process is every other day I'll condition it, and then I use a heated comb like a beard straightener and I straighten it up. And then after I straighten it, I sculpt it a little bit with some balm. That's how I get it to this. No. Not my beard hair. What's that? Good to know, Roars. Yeah. The whole Dr. Respect thing is crazy. Sucks, man. Sucks, but I don't know. We'll see what happens, I suppose. Let's see. Node.js, TMI.js, happy. Something to do with chat, trying a few things out. This person has 1 viewer. Should we go raid this person? Let's do it. Kyle Osborne. Folks, grab that raid message. Let's show Kyle Osborne what the Pixologic dev team is freaking about, dude. What the heck is this song? I love rating small streamers. Yeah, oh, and he's doing a chat bot thing. And he's trying to test it in his channel. So let's go mess it up. Yeah, let's hope I don't get banned. Yeah, we're rating a small streamer. Ryan Osborne, he has literally 1 viewer right now. Folks, thank you again for hanging out. It's been fun. Thanks for the welcome back. Glad to still have you all here and you haven't left me after a week. Thank God. People still like me, maybe. Anyways, yeah, this will be a fun one. Let's do it, friends. Enjoy the raid. Let's show this guy some love. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you all same time, same place, mañana en la mañana. Salute. Salute is my dudes. See you later. I forget.